Not a bad Labor Day in the weather department for the Concho Valley and the Big Country. A little bit on the warm side and still fairly warm at the key city. Abilene Regional Airport sitting at 82 degrees. Maybe a little bit of some cloud cover, but we're mostly cloud free across the Concho Valley and the Big Country. A little bit of some rain to the east of the Fox West Texas viewing area. Any of those showers we were seeing in our neck of the woods, they've since dissipated. Expect us to stay dry overnight and stay dry for most of the work week. I have really small rain chances in my forecast for tomorrow. Better rain chances arrive Friday into the weekend, and here's why. Notice these red areas on tropical satellite. Those red areas indicate tall thunderstorms and kind of a disorganized tropical disturbance. National Hurricane Center is forecasting this area to organize into a tropical disturbance, tropical depression, and move northwestward towards Baja California. That'll bring us some moisture, and with that, some increased rain chances. Now, keep in mind the rain chances last week were looking pretty promising heading into the weekend. Not as widespread rain, though, as the computer models were showing, so taking it with a grain of salt. But I do have a 10% chance of showers and storms in my forecast for Friday, increasing though to 20% for your Saturday and 30% for your Sunday. So certainly not a washout in the forecast. It's pretty common though for these tropical disturbances in the eastern Pacific to bring us some rain. I think they'll combine with a cold front to at least bring us some chance for the first full weekend of September. It's on the heels of always a pretty wet meteorological summer that's officially defined as June, July, and August. So we're officially in meteorological fall now. And it is the 6th wettest summer on record at San Angelo Mathis Airport with nearly 12 inches of rain. Not as impressive in the key city, the 41st wettest summer on record with a little over 6.5 inches recorded at Abilene Regional Airport. Overall though, pretty active summer for the Concho Valley and the Big Country. Winds out of the northeast right now, bringing us some dry air. Not feeling too bad for the first day of September. 79 right now in San Angelo, still hanging on to the 80s in Snyder. We'll wake up Tuesday morning with temperatures in the mid-60s, about 66 degrees San Angelo on Monday. Right around the 70-degree mark for you in the city of Abilene. We'll quickly warm up though because dry air warms up more efficiently than moist air. So by that lunch hour, we'll be in the upper 80s, about 86 degrees by the lunch hour. And I'm officially forecasting a high of 93 for your Tuesday in San Angelo, Wednesday as well. Moving it up to 97 for your Thursday. That looks to be the hottest day over the next 7, 95 for your Friday. Then that cold front comes and interacts with that tropical moisture. So I'm going with highs only in the 80s for your weekend and some decent rain chances. We'll be monitoring those trends closely. But for now, just enjoy the calm and sunny weather with a high of 93 tomorrow. Northeasterly winds about 5 miles an hour. 94 for your high temperature in the key city. So we'll have cool mornings, hot afternoons. 98 is your forecasted high for your Thursday. Again, really flirting with the triple-digit mark. We'll have to see just how hot we can get. Regardless, though, just make sure that you're drinking lots of water. And just remember, when it's hot outside, the cooler, more fall-like weather is right around the corner. You can always find the full forecast on our website, foxwtx.com, and the latest by following me on social media. Bert?
On Weather Impact.